Which is the least likely solution for a dim mobile device screen? So let's say you have your phone and the screen goes dim. What are a few of the couple of reasons? Well, as you can see at the top, there's a brightness slider. It's pretty common in most phones, and if you adjust the brightness slider, it is a reason why your screen might be dim. So that's not our answer because it's correct. And then we have enable automatic brightness adjustments. I have this enabled, and that's just because, listen, when you're inside and you're looking at your phone like this, when you go outside in the super bright sun, your phone brightness is going to need to be a little bit brighter, a lot brighter. So if you don't have that enabled, it's not going to automatically pull the brightness up for you. So it is a likely solution for why you might have a dim mobile device screen. And then replacing the display or its backlight. If you drop your phone, sometimes lemons happen and your display might be going out. This could cause your mobile device to have a dim device screen. It's just one of the reasons. So remember to adjust the display's brightness, remember to enable automatic brightness adjustments, and if you have a bad display, try replacing the display or its backlight. So the least likely solution for a dim mobile device screen would be the battery. Now, even if your battery is at like 5%, your screen brightness will still output the maximum brightness that you set it to. Unless you have it in the settings to automatically dim or something once it hits a certain level, the battery does not affect the mobile device's capability to output to the screen. So that's the answer. Charging the battery. The least likely solution for a dim mobile device screen is to charge the battery.